Redesigning Mother Earth Lesson 1.
Objectives. At the end of the lesson, 100% of the students shall be able to attain at least 75% level of proficiency. 2. 1. Define water pollution. 2. Explain the causes and effects of water pollution. And 3. Perform a role play that shows causes and effects of water pollution. Class, I have here 4 pictures and all you have to do is to form 2 words, which is our topic for today. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Based from the pictures, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Our lesson for today is about water pollution.
Excellent. What do you think is water pollution?
Water pollution is the contamination of water by harmful substances which affects life on Earth is termed as water pollution.
Splendid. Water pollution occurs when pollutants like particles, chemicals or substances that make water contaminated are discharged directly or indirectly into water bodies without enough treatment to get rid of harmful compounds. Water pollution have many causes. Do you know what are these causes? Can you give examples?
Teacher, I know some causes of water pollution. Sewage and waste, and ocean and marine dumping are some of the causes of water pollution.
Fantastic. That's correct. How about the others? Do you have any idea?
Septic tanks and atmospheric deposition are also one of the causes of water pollution.
Very good. Class, I will show a picture of the causes of water pollution and all you have to do is to explain it. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
First picture is about the ocean and marine dumping. Why do you think it is one of the causes of water pollution?
Paper waste, food waste, plastic, rubber, metallic and aluminum waste. In some countries, they are deposited into the sea. These waste types take some time to decompose. For example, it is known that paper takes about 6 weeks, aluminum takes about 200 years and glass takes even more years. When these end up in the sea, they harm sea animals and cause a lot of water animal deaths.
Nice answer. Next picture is about the atmospheric deposition. Why do you think it causes water pollution?
Atmospheric deposition is the pollution of water bodies caused by air pollution. Each time the air is polluted with sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, they mix with water particles in the air and form a toxic substance. This falls as acid rain to the ground and gets washed into water bodies. The result is that water bodies also get contaminated and this affects animals and water organisms.
Splendid. Next picture is about the septic tanks. Why do you think it causes water pollution?
Every domestic toilet is connected to septic tank, usually located outside the house. Each time poop is flushed down the toilet, it goes into this tank, where the solid part is separated from the liquid part. Biological processes are used to break down the solids and the liquid is usually drained out into a land drainage system. From this stage, it can escape into the soil and nearby water bodies.
Wow, nice answer. Last picture is about the sewage and wastewater. Why do you think it causes water pollution?
In many developed communities, wastewater and soluble waste, called sewage, is treated, cleaned and dumped into the sea or river. Even though they are treated, they are never the same as fresh water. In some not-so-developed countries, the sewage is not treated but quickly dumped into the sea or water bodies. This is very dangerous because they contaminate the environment and water bodies and bring many deadly diseases to us.
Splendid. All your explanations are correct. Do you have any questions so far?
None, teacher.
If that's so, let's now proceed to the effects of water pollution. Are you ready, class?
Yes, teacher.
That's good to hear. Do you have any idea about the effects of water pollution?
The effects of water pollution are death of aquatic animals, disruption of food chains, destruction of ecosystem and diseases.
Again, I have here pictures of the effects of water pollution and all you have to do is to explain it. Is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
First picture is about the death of aquatic animals. Why do you think it is one of the effects of water pollution?
The main problem caused by water pollution is that it kills life that depends on these water bodies. Dead fish, crabs, birds and seagulls, dolphins, and many other animals often wind up on beaches, killed by pollutants in their habitat.
Excellent. Next picture is about the disruption of food chains. Why do you think it is one of the effects of water pollution?
Pollution disrupts the natural food chain as well. Pollutants such as lead and cadmium are eaten by tiny animals. Later, these animals are consumed by fish and shellfish, and the food chain continues to be disrupted at all higher levels.
Wow, nice. Next picture is about the destruction of ecosystem. Why do you think it is one of the effects of water pollution?
Water pollution affects the ecosystem in many ways. One way is that it kills many aquatic plants and animals. It has almost made some species endangered. Another way is that this polluted water is drank by many terrestrial animals and thus many land animals also die.
Wow, nice. Next picture is about diseases. Why do you think it is one of the effects of water pollution?
Humans are affected by this process as well. People can get diseases such as hepatitis by eating seafood that has been poisoned. In many poor nations, there is always outbreak of cholera and diseases as a result of poor drinking water treatment from contaminated waters.
Very good. Do you have any questions or clarifications?
None, teacher.
If that's so, let's have a role play. I will group you into two and all you have to do is to make a scenario that shows the causes and effects of water pollution. Is everything clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Since all of you already understand the lesson, let's have an evaluation. Get a one whole sheet of paper and answer your quiz. Quiz 1. What is water pollution? 2. Give one cause of water pollution and explain it. 3. Give one effect of water pollution and explain it. If you are done, you may now pass your papers and then copy your assignment. Assignment 1. What is air pollution? 2. What are the causes and effects of air pollution? 3. How to prevent air pollution. If you are done copying your assignment, you may now go. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.